Today we're gonna make my mom's favorite salad. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. 3 cups of cooked macaroni, 2 cups of red beans, 2 cups of tomatoes, and 2 cups of cucumbers, half a cup of bell pepper, and half a cup of green onions. Before we mix it, we'll make the salad dressing. Half a cup of olive oil. Now we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. A tiny bit of garlic, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and the skin from 2 lemons. Now we're gonna mix this for 1 minute. Now we'll pour on the dressing, and now I'll mix. This is my favorite coconut spoon. It's from Sri Lanka. And there you have it, my mom's favorite salad. She'll love it. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.